So hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar. And hope that you have a nice holidays. Hope that you are not sleeping and don't take too long holidays because there is the money which is waiting for you. So for everyone who is having any question, just feel free to use the chat. For those who are watching me on TradingView, use the chat. Don't feel ashamed. I will answer all the questions that you have. And for all of those who are watching me on YouTube, you can also use the live chat there. I can see both chats and I will answering all your questions that you have. So let's go. Let's start. Are we guys ready for the upcoming week? Are you still relaxing? Are you still enjoying the holidays? Hope we are ready and hope we are waiting to make some money in the upcoming week. I see that the dollar is setting up for a nice wave over there, and it will be set if you will not catch any money on dollar this week. So let me just quickly confirm that everything works fine. Use the chat, type Y in chat on TradingView and also on YouTube, so I will know that everything works fine. You can see my screen and that you can hear me. Guys, just don't feel ashamed to use the chat. Please confirm it so we can continue. OG alarm. Oh, here it goes. This is how it looks when market is live. My alarms are all the time ringing. I'm all the time on the market. So thank you very much for the confirmation. We have everything working fine with TradingView. Hope we have the same with YouTube. But it didn't just confirm. Probably they didn't hear me. Okay, so hope it works on YouTube as well. Fine. Okay, so first, what I would like to say and what I would like to show you today is because many of you are asking me about that NFP event that happened on Friday. So, what happened basically? Thank you very much, Alan, for confirmation on YouTube. So, let me talk about NFP. What happened on Friday? If we will go on forexfactory.com and if we'll check there, what happened on Friday, okay? And this is the reason why we are not watching the news and why we are not trade based on fundamentals. You will end up or losing your money or blowing your accounts, and this is the reason why we are relating only to the patterns. We are watching only the chart, how it moves, what is it telling to me, what is it showing, and this is the reason why you should do the same. Okay, I will prove now what happened. This is all the time happening. Okay, sometimes it will plays out as well, but mostly it will not, and you will not be able to catch any movement. So what happened? The USD movement or NFP, the employment change was before it was okay. This was before, and on the release, on the news release, there was the 960K. Okay, so what happened? Based on those numbers, what the fundamentals traders were anticipating, the dollar to rise. Okay, am I right? Dollar to rise. Why? Because there are good and positive numbers. Okay, and positive numbers fundamentally supposed to give some strength on the DXY. So what happened? Let's have a look. Did we have any strength? Of course we didn't. Okay, this is not the strength that happened. So which date was it? Taken to have. Okay, so here it is. Here it was during the NFP event. It was exactly. Let me just zoom in quickly show you what is happening. So this was the, you see, no event basically. Okay, no event. This was the event, or this candle is when event appear. So nothing has happened. And if you are relying, and if you were thinking that USD will get some strong, you will be wrong. And until today, you will miss the sell because you will be watching the numbers. They are lying to you. These numbers, and based on that, you will not be able to trade. Look at that one. So what the chart is doing is going lower. Isn't that strange? We have a positive numbers, and positive numbers supposed to act in the strength of the dollar. It didn't. Okay, it just started to push lower. So what happened? It is pushing lower. Isn't that crazy? Okay, and what it will do, if it breaks down, corrects there, we will be continually pushing lower, and this is the sell which you're supposed to not miss. Okay, don't rely on the fundamentals, watch for the sell setups, and we will be selling the dollar across the market. If that is clear, hope you are still with me, and those things supposed to be clear for every one of you. Don't let the fundamentals confuse you, because as a trader, as a profitable trader, you have to be stable. News cannot confuse you. Okay, this is the proven results, and same has happened on the April. Let me just have a look. There it was. Here it is. Okay, this is when Corona crisis starts. Okay, Corona crisis starts April 3rd, 2020. Okay, so what happened? We have 275k. The actual outcast was minus 700. And on this day, if you go back in the past, you'll see that we didn't have any movement. So how suppose that, how could those negative numbers cannot move the market based on that? Okay, so these are the fake news. They are always lying to you. They are trying to confuse you. So this is the reason. Just small education for every one of you. And let me just start now with the webinar. So let me know, use the chat, what you would like to hear first. Should we start with the crypto market? Should we start with the Forex market? Let me know, use the chat, vote. Let's see which side. Let's see if we'll have our crypto winners and we'll start with the crypto, or we'll have the Forex winners and we'll start with the Forex. Just quickly use the chat. Okay, one Forex, two Forex on trading view. Let's see, so Forex is 2 versus 0. 2 versus 0. Let's go. What do you guys want to hear or see first? Crypto. Okay, so we have 2 versus 1. 2 for Forex, 1 for crypto. Let's see. Let's wait a couple more votes to see which side will win. Come on, guys, just use the chat. It looks like that the Forex will win. Okay, very good. The crypto is also having a good setups for the week ahead. Okay, crypto, it's only one. Whatever you do, watch it. Okay, so I will start with the Forex, sorry, because it seems that Forex won this webinar. So let's go. Let me start with the Forex, and then we will watch the crypto once I will compare. So for those who would like to hear the crypto, you'll have to wait till the end of the Forex, and then we will switch to the crypto. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. I'm here to give you the best advice as I can, and I'm here to give you the better knowledge that you have before, okay? And totally for free, man. So feel free to ask. For those who would like to repeat that webinar during the week, the recording will be uploaded on TradingView. You can also watch that on YouTube, depends which platform you're using. Okay, also contact me if you want to join my academy with my teammates or my members. Send me the DM or simply go to my website tradewithmaster.eu and choose the membership that suits you. Okay, so let's go. Let's start. DXY, what we are anticipating for the upcoming week is I see it going lower. Okay, I see that this candle will just break down, corrects there, and we will see the keep pushing lower. What is the reason? Okay, what is the reason? Here's the reason. Okay, weekly is the reason. We didn't the price will do this expanded this running flat, sorry, this running flat will push all the way down, break this low, it can go a little bit lower, and then it will turn to the upside. Okay, so after that we will have a huge wave to the upside, and we will be able to trade it for a longer term buys. Okay, but for now we should not miss and ignore this movement. sell, it's quite nice there. It will give you a nice money, and why not to take it? Okay, money is waiting for you. You just have to take it. Simple as that. So what you'll have to do is, you already missed, there was one perfect sell setup. If you missed it, never mind. Okay, just don't feel frustrations because you missed something. Let it drop. Okay, it will correct more and then drop, correct more, drop, correct more. Okay, it will be keep correcting. Okay, this cannot drop like this into the straight line. Okay, let me show that once again. This cannot drop like this. Okay, really rare cases, really rare cases. Can it also reverse and push for one more high? Of course. We can have this also stop there in next few candles. Okay, we lost the momentum over there. And then based on that, we will see that the price will go for one more high before pushing lower. But I don't see yet. Okay, maybe tomorrow it could appear. But if it will appear, you have to be prepared for that movement. Otherwise, just wait for that kind of simple continuation pattern and look to sell the dollar pairs. Easy, right? Still with me? Let's go. Aussie pairs. What I do there is I will see that the pair will drop down. Okay. Or if it will goes down, stop somewhere by the previous bottom. You can see that then we will have a flat over there, and because we will breaking all those stops and then it will return to the downside. Okay, but what you have to do in the upcoming week, try to catch the sell stops over there. Okay, on lower time frame, we can go all the way down to 1 hour or 15 minutes, depends how skilled you are or which knowledge you have. Okay, go on the lower time frame, search for the flex, go for this move, and here's here your eyes needs to be placed. Okay, then we have to see if this will be breaking or this will start to reverse to the upside. We'll see. But for now, watch for your sell stops. Same there, Aussie Chief. The inside was short term 1-to-1 wave to the upside. You see, this was day trade to the upside. Okay, 1-to-1, take it off. And what we can anticipate now, this it will be pushing lower. Okay, so what we can see in the upcoming days or today probably, it will be just easily just pushing lower, lower, lower. Okay, I see it pushing all the time lower. So let me move on 4 hour time frame. It's much better picture. So what we will have there, okay, this will be pushing lower. Be aware also, it's supposed to not stop there by the previous low, giving you a flat, tag the top, going down, tag the bottom, and then continue to the upside. Okay, so this is how structurally, how this structure can end up. Okay, this is a little bit to not confuse you. Just watch for the sell stops and be careful by the previous bottom. Okay, don't sell based only on this picture. You need to have a sell setup. Okay, thank you very much, Alan. Okay, so Alan is saying that he's strongly recommending to join Trade with Master. It is best academy and master with knowledge, patience, and support. Thank you very much for all that comments. I'm really glad that you are happy and you are learning and you are improving. Okay, this is my purpose. I want to educate as many people as I can in this year. Free and live his life on his own terms or own rules. So let's go. Let's do this. Watch for sell setups. Aussie New Zealand. Mm, let's see where we are. We are structurally at the top. If you watch the daily, okay, you have to see the daily. Daily, what we are having those small correction which are forming the bigger one. And if you watch bigger picture, let me just delete those trend lines a little bit. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. I want to make clear picture for you. Okay, clear picture for everyone of you. So what we are doing. Okay, what is okay, this is showing that we will go down. Okay, this is the sell setup which will break down at any time soon. Okay, and you have to catch this sell over there. Aussie New Zealand will be a nice opportunity to take some sells, but what you will have to watch first, you have to see how this will develop. Okay, this is the question now. So let's see the 1 hour. On 1 hour, what we are currently having on is correction is trying to get bigger. Okay, so we have one part of the structure, second correction, and then this will push lower. Okay, so be prepared that bigger correction can easily appear over there. So don't think that this is the buy. So I don't recommend you to take any buy setup and just confuse you and you will miss the sell. In case if this buy will appear, no worries. Okay, don't feel frustrated. Let it go without you. That's not the trade for you which you were waiting for. You want to take the sell. Okay, so what you will do, you will watch to take the top, then you will search for the sell stops again. Okay, and then this will give you a nice profit on your trading account. So make sure you will not miss this move. Okay, big move is coming over there. You can easily make 20-30% of your trading account by only using 1%. Okay, 1% risk to reward will give you a huge profit over there on this movement. Okay, why? Because you can see that it's a huge movement. Huge bottom. So how many pips are there to be made? 400 pips at least. Okay, so nice movement over there. Aussie New Zealand, yes. Okay, Aussie USD. What the price is doing? Okay, this is how it was, what we do, what we are anticipating over there. I want to see there a little bit bigger correction, then we will start selling it. Okay, so what kind of the correction will be there? This will be the expanded flat, nice expanded flat, which it needs to complete there really easily. Okay, we will not be forcing any sales. We are patiently waiting. If you want, you will be able to take the buy. If not, just simply close it. Okay, or if you still want to take that buy, let's wait for this pullback. It will appear at any time soon, then you can easily take this trade all the way to break the stop minimum. Okay, this will be the minimum, but easily can reach the trend line. And then what? Then you want to stick to the sales. Okay, nice profit is also there. It is waiting for you. Okay, for those who are selling from there, you supposed to take your profit already out there or there. Okay, that was your profit taking area. Okay, I've been posting this setup few times and in every weekly market outlook it's been. So for those who are new, just watch the previous recordings. You'll learn a lot. Okay, I'm getting a lot of good and positive feedback on my webinars because a lot of people are getting the knowledge, they are understanding better the markets, they know how to look for the upcoming movement. And yes, this is the point. This is the point of this webinar. What I'm trying to teach you to understand why market moves and how moves. Okay, and if you know, if you go and a little bit back test that knowledge, you can easily make some money out of this knowledge. To watch this, let it go higher. If you want, you can go for the buy, but not now, like I've shown you. 15-minute correction, 1 hour correction, then take the trade all the way top, and then sell will be your priority to watch. Aussie cat, quite similar example. Okay, but this correction will be a little bit different. It will be the deep pullback, deep flex, same as it did there. You see? Okay, so we'll have the same behavior like that one. Okay, so all those were the same. Okay, all those are the same. So you'll know what we did exactly. We are somewhere on the half. One more wave to the upside, and then we'll start watching for your sell setups. Aussie is setting up for a nice trade to the downside over there. Here, same. Okay, I want to see Aussie Nokian struggle there. I'm not interested to go for the set. Okay, sorry, I just got disconnected my microphone. There is some stupid echo mode, and he's always turning it off after 20 minutes. I don't know what is wrong with him. Okay, so this is nothing there. What we can do is wait. Okay, wait. It will go higher, same there, and then watch it to break down aggressive. Okay, so nice trade also there. I think the Aussie is setting up and preparing for a nice move to the downside. Aussie Sikian, what else do we have there? Sell setups, of course, we have the sell setup, and this is what we will be waiting for. Okay, all the way down. Once it will start to break down, believe me, you want to go for this trade. Okay, this trade, at least this kind of the movement. I think that there is also a nice profit over there. Yeah, all the pairs in average, they are offering to you a 220 pip of the profit. Okay, that depends on you now. Don't be too aggressive. Don't just chase the price. Wait for the setup to complete before getting in. Nothing will fall down in the straight line. Okay, it always shows you the sell setup. Hello, hello. I see that new people are joining us. That's great. BCH DOGE, please. Guys, we okay, no worries. We will go through the crypto pairs. Let me just finish that Forex pairs. Then stay with us. We will go into the details of the crypto. The crypto is preparing a nice setups for the upcoming week, and this I would like to share with you. Stay with me till the end. Till the end of the Forex, I mean, and I will share the setups with the crypto. You'll be also able to ask the questions about crypto, and you will watch what is worth of taking it. Thanks, you are welcome. USD cat, we will watch it. Just stay patient. We are going step by step. Okay, I'm following one by one, one by one. Okay, wait, so USD cat is somewhere, some down there. What about tech gold, please? We'll also watch gold. Okay, no worries. Perfect. Let's go. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, so let's have some fun and watch those who are for the crypto. You will learn something, okay? We are using the same technique on crypto, so stay there. Don't go anywhere. When crypto is not moving, you're supposed to trade Forex. You'll make money there. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so let's go New Zealand cat. What do we have there? This one will also push lower, okay? But it needs some time to struggle there, okay? How it will work, let's see. We have a question. Have you used Renko chart in the past? And if so, what is your experience? No, I didn't. Renko charts. Basically, I can use the any style as I want because this works on all time frames. Okay, I'm using the candlestick, but you can use the Renko. Okay, if you want, you can use the Renko. This one, you can use the Renko. Okay, this is the same, but it's not a lot of details. You know, structure. You can see the structure. You can see the structures, but I want to see much more details, and much more details are there on candles. Okay, only on candles I can see, but yeah, try to avoid with this Renko. These candles are perfect for to see exactly all the details that you want. Mm, you are welcome. Just feel free to ask. Okay, I will explain and argument all the questions you have. Okay, so let's go. We said wait for the sell, same there. Okay, today in the morning it started pushing higher. So what it did there was the some flag over there on 1 hour. Let me just show you on 15 minutes. Sorry, there was the 15-minute flag. As you can see it, you will be able to take the trade. There's the easiest one to trade. Easy trade is doing it is trying to push higher. So this is what we will have over there, struggling there, and then it will start to push lower. Okay, can I go for this buy? Yes, of course. If you find on 5 to 15 minutes any pullback, you can go for this small trade back to trend line. Okay, but if you if you're patient, if you're patient, you can just skip this movement buy and watch for the sell. Sell is better money. Okay, better money, but you can go for a boat. You get confused. Okay, so we are waiting this to complete itself, and then definitely you wanna go for the sell. Same there, New Zealand yen. Okay, so what we are waiting there is we are having a nice structure. It's showing a sell opportunity. Okay, so what we will do there in the morning was also the buy setup. It's gone now and supposed to be taken off with a one-to-one profit or break even. Okay, so what we'll have to do, let it wait it to break down. Okay, break it down, correct there, and then continuation to downside. Same as it did there. You see, you have to be patient. No FOMO effect. This is what usually causes the FOM effect. People are jumping there, blah blah blah, and so on. You just have to skip it, wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so skip it, wait for the correction, take the trade. You do the same there. That can go quite nice. New Zealand Chief, same there. It's already happening something over there. Okay, as you can see that one candle, it's coming. The momentum for sell is trying to kick in. Okay, so what you will have to do is just patiently wait and watch. Okay, this kind of the scenario will be perfect. Break, correct, and take the trade. Okay, wonderful scenario if that will happen. Okay, but stay patient, watch it closely. Sorry for my language. Watch it for break, correct, and take the trade. Easy. Okay, I want that every one of you will have that trade. How far? At least back to this low. Okay, trade. Saying some pips are there also. New Zealand Sikian, perfect trade. I want it to go a little bit higher. Okay, a little bit higher. I want to see the break and then massive drop. Okay, this is what I want to see. The the charts always do this kind of a scenario. Okay, they always do that kind of scenario. There was the correction, they drop, and then they fastly break the top, and then they fastly reverse down. Okay, so there's where most of the traders got confused. What the hell? Will see the buy? No, of course not. Then the chart will give you the buy setup over there, and then it will just drop down. Okay, then you will miss it. Don't let the market confuse you. Just, just be stable, stable like a rock. New Zealand Nokian, New Zealand Nokian. Yeah, same there. Okay, this is not a buy. Okay, if you catch any buys, you're supposed to take off your profit. Watch this. Okay, you can pull the trend line that will help you identify well where we will have a strong breakout, and don't just simply sell the breakout. You want to see the correction on lower time frame and simply joining this sell. Okay, Katsikian, Swedish kron. Let's see. It's not a corona, it's kron. Okay, so this Swedish corona is really interesting. So nothing yet, and we will watch it. Cad Nokian, Norwegian kron. Norway also have koron. Okay, so wait for the buy stops over there. Also wait for the buy stops. CAD yen, we need to go lower. Okay, so move like this needs to appear over there. But if it will stop by the trend line, more upside will appear. Okay, so wait for sells, take the sell. How far it will go, you will see. Okay, you have to manage it. There is one more which is trying to go already. Okay, so if you on that break frame correction, if you took it, it is going nicely. So what you have to do is watch it. Okay, that's supposed to not start to reverse. If it will start to reversing, take it off on break even and wait for another correction, which will confirm more downside. Okay, but for now, what we are having is we are trying to push lower. Okay, we are at the top. That can nicely reverse to the downside. Okay, first back close to that low, and then we'll have to decide. But I think you'll have to catch it on 15 minutes. Okay, wait for pullbacks joining. Okay, join that wave to the downside. Rosie, what we are having, it is trying to push lower. At the moment, we don't have any sell setup. Okay, watch any sell setup there, take the trade. Okay, how far back to that low? Your GBP, it's trying to reverse. Okay, so why this is trying to reverse? I'm anticipating the pound to reverse across the market. Okay, I want to see the pound will get some weaknesses across the market. So based on that, we will see the Euro GBP start rising. Easy as that. Okay, so what you'll have to do is just watch how this is developing over there on the lower time frame. You can just simply buy it. That makes no sense because this correction can struggle there and you lose all your patient and you lose some money over there. So what you have to do on 1 hour, simply wait for any kind of the flag you can buy, okay? Or even better scenario, break out and take the trade to the upside. Easy. Just stay patient and follow the corrections. Your chief, it's also breaking down. There was some huge correction. This was the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so no, sorry, yeah, it was 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this third wave was also one. All is the one big correction. What you have to do is wait for sell stops. Okay, sell, 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 sell. This sell stop supposed to be on lower time frame. Okay, depends how skilled you are. 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour and all the way back to 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. You need to be very skilled. Okay, very skilled you have to be if you want to watch that lower time frame. But you will not miss anything if you will stay on 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, it's also good time frames. I usually prefer 1 hour. It's also good. Depends how good you train your eyes. Could you please look at XAUSD, the gold chart? Yeah, I will watch it. Couple more minutes. Okay, couple minutes. We'll watch the gold. Let me know. Did you watch it previous week? Okay, did you take any trades? We've been watching the gold previous week also on the previous weekly market outlook. It did really nice. It behaves as anticipated. So if you didn't trade it, you're supposed to learn something out of it. You're not getting nothing there. Okay, just keep it. It's going lower, but not tradable. Your New Zealand. What can you see over there is this will be still dragging lower. Okay, so how far? Something like this. It's supposed to stop direction for more downside. Okay, so can I go for the buy? Of course you can go for the buy. Okay, this will be your buying opportunity. How far? Back to the trend line. Okay, back to the trend line. Easy. Structure. Is it in making? Or you can see that this will not appear. Let me just see the weekly. 1 minute, guys. Okay, here's the question now. Okay, here's the question. We have two directions. What now? What now if we have two direction? Will I be trading like what you have to do in that kind of situations? You'll have to watch the lower time frame. Correction there will confirm wave to the downside. Correction there will confirm one more up. So what does this mean? I'm not trading there in this sideways movement. Easy as that. Okay, don't try to chase the chart there between. You have to be patient, watch it, let the chart tell you what is it trying to do. Okay, easy. Isn't that simple? As you can see that everything relies on our of this is the daily big correction. Okay, so big daily correction. We have an impulse which is still valid. We have a correction. Okay, so how this will go depends and will indicate for the upcoming week. If this will be corrective movement, we will continue to the downside. If not, then keep on buying. I already bought it. Okay, I've bought it. We'll see how far it will go. Okay, my buy is somewhere there. This is where I took a buy. It was really fast because today it's still holidays and I wasn't in front of my screens, and when I got the alarm on my phone I just jumped in because setup was ready. You see, this was the not a 15 minute, it was the 1 hour setup. You see, we have an impulse, we have a flag. Okay, nice flag, and based on that you'll be able to catch this buy. If you didn't catch it, wait for 15 minutes and continually in continuation pattern. Easy. Okay, so how far? At least this big. Okay, first this, or if this will be aggressive, can go back to the top or 10 line. We'll see. Basically, what you'll have to do is wait for the correction. Okay, correction will tell and confirm everything. Easy. Are you still with me, guys? Euro yen, nothing. There was just some spike yesterday on the open. Try to ignore it. Ignore it. So, which direction supposed to trade? Let it drop down, let it correct, and you can consider more selling. How far back to this low? Okay, this will be your target. EuroCAD. I want to see this going higher a little bit. Deeper correction, something like this. Not tradable. Okay, I don't recommend you taking any trades over there. Useless one. Okay, pound USD. This is what I shared. You are welcome. Pound USD, this is what I posted on a published idea. It's not valid. Okay, we have a strong break to the upside. So what we can have, we can see some struggle there before pushing lower. Okay, so let me just share that with you. Come on. Uh, where is it? Oh, here is the last one. Okay. Usually I forget to update there some ideas. Okay, so it's not more valid. You see, went up now. You're supposed to not have any trades. Why? There wasn't any sell stop. Okay, so it's going higher. Of course, it's going higher. Do supposed I care? No, it can go higher. I don't care. I don't give a f. You know what I mean? Okay, so once we'll see the sell stop, then I will start selling it. Okay, 15 minutes will show everything. So this is gone now and not looking good idea. Okay, there was similar ideas. Okay, all you did wonderful move. Okay, that was the perfect movement over there. Boom, 200 pips. So that's cool. Let's go move back on the pound USD. So nothing there. Wait more. So what was the reason? Reason was drop of the dollar. Okay, dollar it's moving this pair now. Why? Because and this is rising. So what I do anticipate is pound to drop. Okay, I am really anticipating and waiting for this pound to drop down. Once this will start to drop, there will be a nice movement downside. Okay, so based on that, dollar will go up or in the sideways movement. Okay, and pound in this time will start to drop. We'll have a wonderful movement over there. So you can just skip it now. Okay, skip it now. It's not ready yet. Can it push higher? Of course it can. Can I take the buy? If you really want, you can go for that buy. One more buy and then take it off. Okay, 1-to-1 trade will be maximum if you really want to go for this trade. But I'm not just for the buys over there. Pound cat, quite similar scenario there. I'm still anticipating pound to drop across the market. So I'm not buying any pound. Okay, only closing them with a break even. Okay, this is what I want to see. This is massive money, but pound cat is not that good option to take a trade on. Pound New Zealand, watch this. Oops, sorry, watch this. Lower time frame, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, going down. Easy. Pound yen, what can we have over there? Pound yen, it's trying to go already. Okay, you see, we are having something. What the fuck? Okay, there in the morning we have some 1-to-1, take it off. You see how we have to trade. Okay, this is the good example. When we are at the end of the market, at the end of the trending market, how you supposed to trade? Get in, take off profit off. Get in, take off your profit. Okay, easy. Always, you do the same all the time. Okay, on all the financial markets when you are at the end of the trending market. So what you can do now, wait, drop. Okay, let it drop. You want to see it dropping down. Perfect. Okay, and then what you have to do is you will be waiting for the correction, lower time frame, and then you will be easily taking the trade. Okay, so this is your money. Okay, this is where you will make a lot of money, and this is where you will make your money for a living that you can buy a stuff. So don't miss the opportunity and don't be too aggressive to get in too early. Pound chief, same there. What you can do? Okay, so what I can do? Wait, let's wait there and then take the trade. You see? That's so easy. You just don't need to rush. Okay, no rush on the market. Once again, it's trying to push higher. We have a nice diagonal over there. You see, it's pushing higher, higher, higher. It's trying to struggle there. Okay, no worries. Let it perfect target or at least back to the trend line. Okay, so nice money is waiting there on Aussie, New Zealand, and pound pairs. Okay, so those are the movement which will give you a lot of money in the upcoming week, so make sure you will give a little bit more focus to them. Pound knocking, nothing there, it will go lower. Okay, as you can see that we are struggling higher. Watch it breaking down and correcting and then keep pushing lower. This is what I do anticipate in the upcoming days. Same there. Pound Aussie has a nice structure there. Okay, but what I would like to see is the Aussie to push higher. Like high, and then what? Guess what? Wonderful money also over there. Okay, wonderful money also over there. So how much money will we will book over there? Okay, 700 pips. with at least one trade. So imagine now you are having two or three trades. Okay, this is 2000, sorry, 2100 pips over there only with three trades. Okay, three trades are enough for you. I think you can make a living with that, with these three trades, and the rest of the trades will be only to grow your account on the other pairs. I mean, of course. So yeah, watch it close. 15 minute, 1 hour, perfect sell stops there, and take the trade. If it will stop by the trend line, take it off. Okay, take it off, or if not, then you will see the correction there and more downside. You can add then more trades over there and simply join the right to the downside. Join the right into the bank. Your account will grow. So let's go Chief Yen. What we have there is nothing special. Just skip it. It's it's quite messy. Okay, so what it can do, it can just spike up, break. Yeah, this is the move which needs to complete before we will start watching for sell. Okay, so let it break this top. This top is what we are anticipating to drop, to tag, sorry, to tag or to broke or whatever, however you would like to call it, and then pushing lower. Easy. Chief Nokian, for those who are trading it, nothing there. It's gonna go and maybe give you one more correction for one more down. Okay, so this correction may appear there in the next week. Okay, it will be developing, so make sure not chasing the market. USD Chief, there was also a sell setup from the today. Okay, so there was one sell stop. Okay, how far? This is now we have to be careful. Watch it now. It's supposed to break down. If we'll have a breakdown, then what? Wait for the correction and we'll be enjoying the ride all the way down. So based on that, we want to see the USD drop down across the market and Chief to rise, gain some strength across the market. That would be perfect. So Chief Yen and Chief Nokian to rise. Okay, those and dollar pairs to drop. That would be the perfect scenario if you will see this kind of the scenario. Okay, that correlation will work as well. Really perfect. USDN. Now let's wait. If you missed it from the top, you cannot do anything. Okay, if you missed from there, just wait, sit back, relax, and watch for correction, and then you will be simply joining the trade all the way down. Nothing for you at the moment. USD CAD also went lower. Okay, this was the one huge correction over there. Okay, you can see that there wasn't any momentum for continuation to the upside. Based on that, you're supposed to see that we are going lower. There was one hour correction. You see it, okay, really clearly. There was the correction which was identifying that the chart will push lower. So what they can do for the correction, take the trade to the downside. USD Mexican also break down, nothing yet. Okay, so you may have to close it on a break even. Okay, you see those are the sell stops. Always when we are waiting for the sell stops, watch for this one. USD Nokian was same there, breaking down, nothing special at the moment. USD SIC, oh, that one is perfect. We've been watching this one for quite a while. Okay, so quite a while is what we've been waiting for. Let me move on hard time frame. That's 1 hour, it's not enough. Okay, so what you want to see is there is the third 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 movement, third wave. What I want to see is breakdown, correct, and boom. Easy guys. So money is waiting on you. So who is there for gold? Where is this guy now for the gold? We finally come to the gold. Let me know, are you still there? You've been impatiently waiting for the gold, guys. Now you are gone? No, that's supposed to not happen. So, oh, you're still there. Perfect, perfect. We are here for gold. Whoa, we are. They're quiet and watching. You're hiding. You're hiding in the dark. Okay, so Those for you who were with me previous week, they can watch the recording, what we've been watching it for this correction, breaking down, it went down, perfect, take off your profit, you're supposed to be out. There was one good 15-minute buy stop. Now we are already struggling. Let's have a look what we are doing right now. I think that the correction will get bigger. I think pizza, that's why don't let the pizza confuse you. Okay, so what we can have over there is be aware these can just go for the sideways, go for one more down, nothing special, and then continuation to the upside. Okay, just 1 hour correction can appear over there. I think that there was many times this correction before pushing higher. Okay, so at the moment you cannot chase the buy, not even on 15 minutes. We have nothing yet. You can see the correction is trying to get bigger. Okay, it's trying to get bigger. One more low. This would looks like this. Going pushed. Okay, so don't chase it right now. You need couple more hours. We need at least 10 hours or maybe 8 hours. Okay, after 8 hours, you have to see how that has developed. Okay, can it also break down? Yes, of course it can. Okay, it can also, but let it form this before chasing or watching for a buy setup. Okay, easy. Silver, there was one buy setup. If you took it, remove your profit. Okay, for those who are buyers on the silver, take your profit off. Why? This is clearly showing you one more down can appear easily over there. You see, this is the third wave of the correction. Let me just move on daily. Okay, so you see that one. You have to be careful. This is not all the correction. We are still missing this part of or this wave to the downside. Okay, for those who are silver traders, watch it, let it go back to that bottom. It will give you a nice flat formation there before pushing higher. So you can also trade this sell over there. Okay, it's also tradable. Why not? Okay, so we can grab all the opportunities that market is offering to you to make money. Okay, so watch it, watch it. Can it go higher? Not yet. Okay, same as gold. Going lower, stop by the previous bottom, give you some kind of the flat over there. Okay, so you see this one, and then pushing higher, same as gold can appear over there, and it will be still the buy. Easy. When you can start selling, once you will see the sell stop. Okay, sugar. I think that we don't have nothing there on the sugar. US. Oops, sorry. US oil. It will go down. Start watching for sell stop. We've been still watching for the sell stop. There was one good sell stop. It didn't go, so you're supposed to close it and to see basically that this is not going anywhere. You have to close it on a break even. Then what? It went for one more high. What I can do now? Keep on watching for your sell stop. Okay, this thing supposed to go lower. Okay, we are in the big correction. So watch it. Let's wait for the correction. Continuation to the downside. UK oil, same there. Okay, wait for the correction. Continuation. Okay, same there. Like this movement. Okay, those movement will be identical. Back to the trend line, and then you'll decide. So watch your lower time frame for your sell stop. US 30, as you know that we are not buying these indices. They are just keep pushing. I do not recommend to anyone to take it. Just wait, stay away from it. I want to see and start selling it. Okay, no, it's not ready yet. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. First, we need some loss of momentum. How about win? What did you mean exactly? Nasdaq 100. Okay, so this one is also setting up. Should I hold it? Which one? Which one would you like to hold it? Be more specific. I don't know which pair or what. What are you trying to hold? Give me more information. So what the Nasdaq 100 is doing? Okay, this is the one big. This one went lower. Okay, this is 1 week ago when we had a webinar. It went down. Take the previous low. It didn't start to to pushing lower. It's trying to reverse. Then you will be able to recognize there was the pattern for a buy. Okay, so you see, market always warns you. It always warns you. Okay, so what we have now? Big, huge pattern. How far it can go? Correct one more, tagging the top, and then it will go down, tagging the low, and then it will continue to down to the upside. Okay, it will just give you the one huge flat pattern over there. Okay, so be careful. I will be selling it. Why I will be selling it? Because I want to see this pushing lower. Okay, we are really high, and I don't recommend you to go for any buy. This will go down like this. Okay, and then can continue the upside, but we'll see. S500, same there. Okay, as you can see, that my arrows are still there. We are still waiting for buy. No signs of any sell. Sorry, we are waiting for sell. No signs for any sell there. So nothing there. We were trying to sell this, didn't move anywhere. Give us the buy stop. Boom, went higher. So once again, wait for this. Wait for this. Okay, okay, same there, pushing higher. All the indices are pushing higher, so I'm ignoring it. Okay, I'm not for this bubble movement. This bubble movement is not for me because at any time soon it can drop down, and I want to stick to the bigger moves only. UK 100, same there. Okay, same there. It can go higher, break this top, and then it will go lower. Okay, this will give you the huge correction order, but this is what you have to skip. Okay, so crypto guys, let me know, where are my crypto guys? Where are you hiding? Are you also eating pizza? So let's see. Crypto guys, yeah, we are having a wonderful quick. I already bought some coins. Okay, been holding some coins, and some of them are also preparing for a nice buy. So make sure that you will also put some of them on your watch list. Those who are trading the Forex, try to watch or try to learn trade this crypto. You will make more money. Okay, so you don't need to save your money in the pocket. You can invest it in crypto, so you will make nice money, double money. Still here, no pizza. Okay, so you may offer it. Just order one pizza. This crypto can take a long talk or deep discussion there, or maybe there was the holidays. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I just need a break for 2 minutes. Let me write down. Are you having any crypto yet, or are you ready? Or do you want to watch a specific crypto that I don't have there on my watch list? Okay, I have a huge watch list. This is what you gave me, guys. This is all your fault. So let me just give 2 minutes. I will be back. Write down what you want to take a look closely. Okay, here I am. Do we have any pizza for me? Okay, so enough of joking. So what do we have? BCH XRP ADA, please. Okay. What was that one? I think Atom is a win. Okay, TRX and BNB would be nice. BNB did a wonderful opportunity. Okay, wonderful buy was there on the BNB. Okay, I know because one guy that joined my academy, he was asking me about exactly this. Really, really nice. Okay, it went up really, really nice. There was the nice money on it. So how about if we do like that? I will show you now what are my currently active buy setups at the moment. Okay, they can also change during the weekend. I don't want to cross all those crypto pairs. I will pick my best and my how to say my cryptos on my watch list. Then we'll watch yours, and maybe we'll choose a couple of them which will be ready in the up in the middle of the week. Okay, because as you know they can change during the week. So first I will show those mine charts, those that I'm waiting for, and then we'll move on those that you wrote, BCH, XRP, ADA, and so on. Okay, fair enough. Let's go. IOST Bitcoin is what I want to see for a buying opportunity. Okay, as you can see that we are having a nice impulsive movement. Okay, and running flat is trying to plays out there. We have to watch it how this will develop during next few hours. Okay, it can slowly start to push higher, so you can go for this trade. Okay, you will see how this will start to coming in. You want to see the momentum of buy. If there it will be no chase this pair. Okay, just keep on watching our lower time frame. One Bitcoin. This will be also a nice opportunity, but don't buy it immediately. Okay, so don't buy it immediately. As you can see that this is a nice opportunity for a buy. Okay, so you can draw down one trend line over there. It will helps you identify where supposed to get into the trade. Okay, so can I buy now? No, of course. Okay, don't be too early. Okay, don't rush in the trade because you will feel the FOMO effect. Okay, this is the for those who don't know, fear of missing out effect. Okay, every trader feel it at least once. Okay, so don't be affected with the FOMO effect. Yes, I'm here. I paused the video. No, don't pause the video. Why? Okay, so what you have to do is wait for break. Let's wait for the correction on lower time frame, of course. Okay, so this is what you want to see, and then this will be your perfect money making movement. Okay, then you can start investing your money in one Bitcoin. Why this? Why I have to wait? Why? Here's the simple reason, because this can be otherwise sideways movement of, and what it will happen, it will go down and you will be watching a drawdown on your account. And believe me, this is what you're supposed to not have. Easy. Okay, so wait and start buying it. You can see that all the time you're having the buy stops. Don't chase the market, don't be too early. Okay, wait before taking the trade. Okay, easy. CRE. Theory is also struggling there, but it's still not ready for me. Okay, lower time frame, it still doesn't show me any buying opportunity. Okay, I want to see any buy stop breaking out and correcting. There will be perfect opportunity. How far back to the top? This is the first target, and if we will grab the momentum, and if momentum will start to developing, a nice percent of the profit is there. INJ Bitcoin, same there, is trying to correct over there. What can we have? Okay, it's trying to reverse. Okay, so nothing there. Be aware this can easily start to pushing lower if you took it. Okay, somewhere there, or right now you can take off your profit and wait for new buy. Okay, where you can buy above this high over there. So let me just show you. This is the flag. Okay, take it off and buy above this high if you want to go for this ING Bitcoin. Okay, how far it can go? Let's have a look on 4 hour. Okay, there, but we need the momentum. Okay, we need to see momentum. Okay, this will be the correction, all the correction, and then let it push like a rocket. Okay, GRT, let's see what do we have there. There's also something what is trying to set up. But like I said, here's the reason, okay? You see, if we don't have a sideways movement, and if you are buying only there, okay, on one candle, what it can happen, this will easily transforms and indicate this is a sell, and then what, it will go for one more low. How deep? Like this, or it can totally reverse. Okay, then you will be in a trouble. And to prevent this kind of the mistake, you have to wait for the correction before taking the trade to the upside. Okay, easy as that. Feel the profit. Okay, so a couple of NFT pairs are over there also. This is what I bought personally. Okay, there was my buy, which is placed over there. What I'm doing right now is I will wait. We'll see. I don't want to see any strong candle that will push there. If so, then I will take it off on a break even. Okay, I don't want to see that strong candles will be pushing lower, because this can then easily pushing lower. We also have a new high, so this could be just a huge correction for more sell, and I don't want the drawdown. Okay, this is what I will do. Okay, but first of all, I will watch how that will develop. There's no panic at the moment. Okay, until I will see any strong candles that are trying to push pairs to the downside. Okay, for example, there it will be maybe one minus of drawdown, and then I will cut it if so. But we'll see. Okay, don't be too panic. Send Bitcoin, that one will be also perfect. Let it die out. Okay, we want to see that this momentum for the downside will die out. So how far it can struggle easily. Okay, it can go for one more down, and then it will start pushing higher. So wait for this, take it up, easy. Okay, all you have to do is just be patient. Same there, wax Bitcoin. Okay, so something like this. We can also face the flat over there before going higher. So this is the reason why we cannot just simply buy it, because you don't want to risk this much. Okay, why would I risk this much? It's not worth of it, and I don't need to. I want to have the price and the trade which is going, which will positively affect on my thinking and my feelings. So once I'm getting in, I want to see the profits. So this will help you. Breakout, correction, take the trade. Okay, perfect opportunity to take some trade or a couple of days before breaking out. Easy. Mana is also trying and doing some weird stuff. Weird stuff is trying to appear over there. What we see is no momentum at the moment. Okay, we have something like this. Momentum has tried, but then it's trying to reverse. So let's see. That's supposed to not break below this low. Okay, not breaking below this low. If so, if you have any bad trades, I don't have it personally. If you have it, just reduce your loss. That will be around your break-even trade if you take it. Okay, if not, then wait. Okay, this is not a buy stop at the moment anymore. It can easily go for one more low and then to go higher. Okay, that will just confuse you. It will push you out watching the charts. Okay, so perfect. These are the setups that I'm waiting. Okay, you can buy that one. You can buy and you'll see how far this can go. That's it. Okay, so let's go. Let's have a look. Let me see the chat. What you want to see? You want to see BCHXRP. Or first, let me take a second. Let's take a look on Bitcoin. Okay, it's important. Bitcoin and XRP and so on. I want to take a look on those first. Then you will choose your pairs, your coins. Okay, so what do we have there? It's your turn. Let me just know, is this BCH, did you mean to watch it versus Bitcoin or versus dollar or versus XRP, or how did you want to see which chart exactly? BH BCH XRP, or just use the chat. Okay, answer versus USDT. Okay, perfect. We will watch it. Okay, no worries. So XRP versus USD. Let's see. Uh, not for trading. So sad story. So there was one buy setup. Okay, if you miss it, you cannot do anything. It will go now. Be careful. This can now go for one more quickly. Quick wave to downside. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So this is the long second wave. And now the third wave, quick move. Okay, like this. Quick there. Boom. Spiking down, tagging the previous top, and then continue the upside. So bigger flat can appear over there. So don't try to trade it right now. Okay, so what else can we have? This pushing higher, tagging this stop, and then going down all the way back to this low, and then it will go higher. Okay, so quite a huge pattern is developing over there. Let me have a look on weekly. Okay, weekly, what is it trying to show me? Okay, some complications there. I don't want to see it. Yeah, like I've shown you this bigger correction can appear over there, or at least back to this low. Okay, back to this low. I want to see it would be perfect is this movement will be some kind of the contracting flat, okay, something like this, and then boom, it will go higher. Okay, this will be the best scenario. Bitcoin USD, what is it trying to do? It's trying to pump it higher. Okay, so we have a move. Bitcoin is trying to push higher. So if I just grab some bitcoins. Okay, so what you can do, watch for your buy stops. What the price is trying to do is the Bitcoin is trying to push higher. So how far I see it back to the trend line. Okay, so this is my first target that we can anticipate back to the trend line. It will grow across the market. Bitcoin will gain some strength. Can it push lower? It hit already. Again, this is the all. So what you can do is wait 15-minute correction, buy setup, and then take the buy. Okay, don't just simply buy it. This is not a buy setup. Okay, this single candle and this single move is not a buy setup because it can easily reverse, take the trend line, and then going higher. So wait for the sideways, take the buy. Okay, something like this is what you want to wait for. This. Exactly when it breaks, this one. Okay, so what we did, we break now, we want to see sideways movement, and then you can safely go for a buy. Bitcoin euro is the same stuff there, be careful. Ethereum Bitcoin will go lower, nothing there. Okay, so this can go for the sideways movement can appear there, nothing special. Litecoin USD, it will go lower for one more and then going higher. LTC Bitcoin, same there, it can also going totally lower. Okay, so this is from the stable coins. You want to see now versus USDT, like BHUSDT. Let's have a look. I don't have it on my watch list. Yeah, you missed probably the opportunity there for the buy. Okay, there was the expanded flat on 1 hour. Okay, I hope you didn't miss it. If you bought it, you did a great job. So let me give a bit bigger pick. Ooh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Okay, this looks like a sell. Okay, drop down, then we have 1 2 3, and it will go one more down. It can even go a little bit lower. It does need to. Okay, we don't want it that low. Yes, this can go for one more down and we will go higher. Okay, this will be just the huge running flat in the middle. Okay, depends how this was developing over there, but yeah, this can go for one more down before pushing lower. Okay, be careful, this scenario can plays out. There's a nice flag which is trying to appear over there. Let's see the 4 hour structure. I don't see the momentum for buy over there also. This was just a short-term buying. And yeah, until you have this kind of the correction, you cannot go for the longer term buy. Be careful. At any time soon we can see the wave to downside breaking this low. So what else was there? XRP USDT. XRP USD. XRP USD. That's supposed to be the same chart. Yes, we already did that one. XRP is done. BH is done. ADA USDT you want to see, okay? Let me just ADA USDT. Cardano. This is quite popular. Cardano. Oh, that one seems interesting. We are having some flag for the buying opportunity, but this pattern doesn't seem are about to kick in probably. We have the first wave of the structure, the correction, second wave, and the third one is in developing. So how this third move can looks like, this could be quite complicated. 1 2 3. Okay, and then this will be the 1, 2, and 3 down, so we can have something like this. So it's quite dangerous to go for a buy over there right now. Let me go back to 4 hour. Mm, could this be all the correction? Yeah, that could be some kind of the contracting flat. So what you have to do is wait for breakout, let it to correct, you know already, and take that by how far? Back to the top. This will be the maximum out of this trade, okay? And then reverse. But I don't see it will go that far. Probably it will stop somewhere there, going lower, breaking this low, and then I want to start watching it for a buy. Okay, so be a little bit cautious with that ADA USDT. Okay. So what else, guys, do we are watching for? TRX and BNB. Someone asking. So TRX, I think it's supposed to be. You are welcome. Okay, so TRX, where is it? Come on, I just. TRX supposed to be on my watch list. I don't know why it's not here. TRX. So this on the on YouTube, you are asking for TRX and BNB. What you would like? TRX versus Bitcoin versus USDT. Okay, which one? Which chart would you like to see? TRX versus. Use the chat. NP or USDT. Okay. USDT is what you want to see. I see, guys, that you are not trading versus Bitcoin. You don't want the double profit. You pick the USDT to be much more stable. Nothing. Okay, nothing there. This can just go into deeper correction and then going higher, but it's quite dangerous to buy it that high. Okay. Oh, it's quite high. So I'm not, or until we will have the correction. The correction will appear over there. Okay, you can apply this angle order, and that B correction can appear. Okay, why? Because this move, this 5 wave move of the impulsive movement on higher never needs to correct itself. Okay, we need to correct this movement, and we can anticipate some sideways, and then we will be continuation, and then we will be watching for the continuation to the upside. Okay, so you're lucky if you are in already. If not, don't watch to buy there. Easy. Don't chase the market. So BNB versus problem or BNB versus USDT. Correct me if I'm wrong. There was the perfect buy stop. Okay, if you missed it. So what we can do, or they'll give me the daily. Daily. This can form a nice quick pullback. Quick pullback, give higher. Okay, so this is what you can face there. So no buying at the moment. Try to stay away from those pairs that you already show me. So BNB versus USDT and TRX versus USDT. They are not ready yet. Okay, you need some more time. Okay, so try to stay patient on those pairs over there. Okay, so guys, do we have any questions? Do we want to see any pairs that we didn't pass over there? Let me know. Let's take a look if there is anything that we can watch and that we can discuss about. I think that we watch a lot. Thank you. You are welcome. This is why I'm here. I want to help you guys. So don't feel ashamed or shy to comment there. So probably that's here. Okay, so hope you guys will we'll take some money out from the market. Okay, the setups are getting ready. Okay, we will have this week probably a lot of setups. Okay, so once again, for those who would like to join me in my trading academy, we are doing crypto and forex and all the financial market, and we are analyzing. We are having the chat where we have a live discussion about trades. We're also having a crypto channel where we are taking a look on the crypto channel. We are also doing the daily webinars every day. Okay, so you have a benefit if you are joining me, because you can ask anything that you want. You can pick the best decision, or you can do the best decision, best trade, if you have the community that will support you and help you. There's a 6 to 8 week trading course and trading videos where you there are also into strategies. So all the benefits that will help you improve or boost your profits on your trading account. What are your opinion for now? What is good to buy as your idea? Like I have shown you at the beginning, okay, so this IOST is quite interesting. You see, this is interesting stuff, interesting trade over there. Okay, this one Bitcoin will be interested if we will have the sideways movement. Okay, good investments. CRV not looking good at the moment. INJ not looking good based on this. Okay, so you can only buy higher. Otherwise, it can draw and drag one more low before going higher. So this will be the one bigger correction. So nothing until breaking higher. So for now, IOST is the best one. GRT Bitcoin, this one, if it will go into the sideways, then it will be a good opportunity to watch and buy. And NFT, of course. Okay, Digo coin supposed to go for the sideways and pushing higher. You also can see that we are having a diversion over there, and it can go high, at least back there. Okay, so something like that, and you have to take off your profit because then it can drag lower. But yeah, you can take some profit over there out of the market if you'll get the sell buy stop. Sorry, send Bitcoin once it will complete this. You can watch for the strong break to the upside. Vox, same there. Mana, Bitcoin, same there. Okay, so but let it go lower. It's okay, moment. Okay, it can just drag lower, easy. So not looking good, not looking good, not looking good. Digo is a good one. You have to watch it, and those that I have shown you. Okay, hope it's clear. And what pairs with USDT? I don't know all of the Bitcoin. Yes, because I am trading versus Bitcoin. Okay, this is the reason my watch list is versus Bitcoin. I don't have much price with USDT. Maybe for the next week, for the next webinar, we can prepare and make some USDT pairs. Yeah, you can watch some USDT pairs. I will try to add some. We'll try to filter out some good trades or some good investment, and then we can. Yeah, of course. I'm glad to help you, and so that you will. I want that these webinars will help you or help you make a better decisions. Of course, I will try. You can also some interesting USDT pairs. Okay, it will be easier. Okay, it's not a problem to add USDT pairs on my watch list. Euro USD, please. Sorry, man, we already passed the Forex pairs. Forex pairs was at the beginning of the webinar. So what you'll have to do is you will have to watch the recording. Recording will be uploaded and it will be available to watch on TradingView. And if you don't like the TradingView, you can watch the YouTube. It doesn't matter. Okay, you have both. Both platforms will have the uploaded recordings, so can watch it whenever you want, as many times as you want. So we did and have a wonderful webinar today. If you are new to my videos and if you're new to my channel, just watch the previous weekly market outlooks. I can guarantee that you will totally new. It will totally help you in your trading decisions. It will boost your accounts and profits. Okay, I can guarantee that. many people are doing this. I'm getting all the time the good feedbacks. So you guys are improving. This is the point of that webinar that I'm doing over there. So that's it. I will end the webinar over there. So guys, if you can please share the webinar and setups with others, I would love you to help build this community of people worldwide. So who really want to go to the next level, and yes, the profit that comes along that way. So share it, and for those who want to join me, feel free to ask on Telegram. There's also a pinned message where you can send me the direct message. You can also send me direct message there on TradingView whenever you want. And that's it. Okay. Take care. Enjoy your day, and may the profit be next to Sunday. Take care. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.